Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got some car parts, some new car parts. I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is. Let's take a look at the box. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. Don't mind my little safety scissors. All right, I got it. I can't even pull this open. Ooh. I've been waiting for these lights for a minute now. By the time they got here, so we got the gaskets for the rear, obviously, and I got the harness for the sequential lighting. So these are the gaskets, like I said. Ooh. I'm already getting excited. You guys ready for this? Let me take this off. Oh! Wee! Let me hold this properly. Look at these! Oh! What if I drop these right now? Oh my gosh. They look sick. You can see me in the reflection, don't mind me. I'm a little dusty. This quarantine is not treating me well. I desperately need a haircut, but oh my gosh, these look amazing. Can't wait to put them on the car. So as you guys can see by the picture, these are the spec Ds, or should I say spect. These are the spect. I'm kidding. I know you guys got me last video when I said Ibachi. Where the wheels go, yeah, I am lowered on Ibachi. I was supposed to say Ibach, okay? Ibach lowering springs, but I said Ibachi. But that's either here nor there. I've learned from my mistakes, got roasted in the comments and on Facebook, but it is what it is. But yeah, these are the spec Ds, sequential. What are they called? Spec Ds. Spec D taillights. So I got the black housing with the red, as you can see. Red LEDs. Or lights, whatever, you know what I mean? But I'm not gonna take this plastic up until I install it on the car. Like I said, I'll be showing you how to install these spec detail lights. So obviously what you wanna do is you wanna remove, there's 4 bolts. There's one here, one here, and one up in here. So those are the bolts I'll be removing. And I have a socket kit. I believe it is 5/16. Is it this one? Yeah, 5/16 is what I'll be using. The tail lights are like stuck in here. I'm not sure because, you know, these tail lights have never been removed, so I'm guessing that's why. I even texted the previous owner and asked him if he glued the tail lights. But I just found out that I guess this is something that normally happens, so yeah, it's stuck in there. So I'm gonna try to pry it out. I tried pulling on this, but this section is kind of the hardest.
A few moments later.
Wiggling and, you know, trying to pry it open, I kind of fit something in the edge of the over here and just pull it out. So this is a tail light. The stock one, I guess they double gasket, they put double seals because we have one here and one in there, so that's kind of good. So I can just put my seal on it, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I pried it open and that looked like he put some seal at the rims. So because my headlight or tail light never leak, so I guess that's why. I'm gonna pop the spec Ds in right now. All right guys, this took much longer than expected. The reason why was because I didn't take off the gasket that was already mounted on the body of the vehicle, the frame. So I'm using 2 gaskets. I'm using the one that came with the spec Ds and the one that was on the frame. So when I put it in, the fitment was weird. This was like all the way out here, so I had to squeeze it in and tighten it extra tight. So this is how they look on the car. I'm gonna turn them on. So that's the spec D's. That's the generic, you know, tinted black lights. But I'm gonna show you how to harness them up real quick. So obviously you're gonna have your, you know, your harness that for your taillights. You're gonna plug this in, and then when you plug this into the regular harness, this harness right here is gonna go to the relay that they give you. You're gonna plug this in the relay, and then this has a sticky tape or a sticky side, and after you plug it in, you're gonna like, you can mount it anywhere you like right here, and then just wrap the cords and stick it inside. So that's what I'm gonna do and show you how it looks when I'm done. So guys, I did what I said I was gonna do. Sorry for the glare. So I did what I said I was gonna do. So I plugged in the normal harness of the, you know, the headlights, and then the you know, the harness that came with the headlights, which is this. I plugged it in that little thing, and then I just sticked it down here. I mean, I could have stuck it right here, but I feel like if I'm taking out the headlights and I have my ratchet here, it's gonna stop me, you know. So I sticked it under here, and that's how it looks. And let's turn it on and see how it looks. See, these look. Yo, I cannot be. I can't even speak right now. I'm sorry again for my car being dirty, but these look so good. I'm sorry that it looks like this on camera. It doesn't have a shimmer, not a shimmer, but a color shift. It's just the contrast and whatever on the camera. But this looks so good. So we got spec D's, and it's red, guys. It's not orange or yellow, whatever it's picking up on camera. Then we got the generic tinted. I don't know why the previous owner did this. I don't like the tinted look, but those look so good. I liked how it. Look at the arch. It has an arch at the edge. Well, this one is just. Look at these, man. I don't put the blinkers on. Yo, this looks so good, man. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. Installation is done. As you can see, they look amazing. Yeah. Compared to the regular, just blacked out headlights. And the one thing I love about these headlights is they have a little, you know, a little arch. Not arch, but they have some depth, or I don't know, something. But my car is dirty again. I apologize. Let me show you the sequential look. Look at that, man. Yeah, and then later on, I'm gonna do the Audi mod. If you guys don't know what that is, that will be deleting. Wait, let me just take it out of this real quick. I'm gonna do the Audi mod. So what the Audi mod does is, this is how your lights are gonna look. You know, when you're running lights, when they're on. Obviously, when you're making a turn, they're gonna do sequential lighting. But with the Audi mod, it deletes these lights, so it's only the strip as your running light. But if you want to turn left or so, you're gonna see the blinks. So yeah. They look so good.